This is what it used to look like, and here you have a peek of what it used to look like inside. And the gigantic slide. Why is there a slide, you might ask? Ce bâtiment, c'est 1920, qui a été acheté en... No, it's not the same. If you look this way, this is what it used to look like. So a few years later, they cover everything in this false stone.
Bah ouais.
These are different ad campaigns of the Galeries Lafayette throughout the years. So you can see it online. In fact, check.
Wow, génial.
This is the inner dome, and up there there's the outer dome. This is what the outer dome used to look like during the construction.
Ah, this is the one we saw on the picture.
Yes, absolutely. Also the shape of the dome, it's a bit like wave shaped like. But it's a good idea in theory. Dust everything, redo the links between the different stained glass. And you can see that the inner dome is only clipped, the glass is only clipped on the structure. So here you have a closer look to this Galeries work with all the LED lights on. Now it's up to 55%, because at the end of the 50s and beginning of the 60s, that's the year that it goes in. So that's when, before that, everything was organized like that. Yeah, the best. Here the shirts, and now it's vibrant. Green, pastel color. Do you think this is the color that used to be on the There are 3 different parts that are...
Le lift. Ouais, non, c'est énorme. Une. C'était 3000.
Yeah. If I see this font anywhere else, I'll think about the Galeries Lafayette. Even though it's a kebab, I'm like, Galeries Lafayette. You see the designs from Mr. Germany. The lift person and the security guards are the only two that have like a real uniform, a proper one, like pretty one, because they had their customers. And you can see the different packagings for the different Christmas themes.
And was it successful last year? Because it was really, really.
If you look just here, you'll see a closer look for the stained glass work and also a photo of the original Christmas tree. Thanks to this document that we realized that all the different halls with glass roofs. And you can see the triangles from Mr. Peter Class. He had this outfit and it was sold in store for